You guys, all these clothes is one day longer, like just one day, all these clothes is being washed. And at this point, you have to fold it so that you are going to keep it. Everyone has to have his own, but I don't know where to start from. For the kids, for me, hobby, so I'm going to fold them. Then this one is Muna, then Amanda. So Muna and Amanda own is one place we keep. Then my own and hobby used to be one place. You guys don't mind my fold, you know. I just want to fold it so that it's going to enable us to keep.
Yeah, Lady B, you don't know how beautiful you are. When I look at you and I see stars that shine up over my head, I hope you know these words that I've said are true. 'Cause well, Lady B, you don't know how beautiful you are. I want you to know how beautiful you are. You can never be less placed, 'cause in my heart your kitchen's won the race, yeah. Oh, how beautiful you are. Your smile illuminates the room like a shining light, a queen of success with a heart so kind and bright. Your cooking's a masterpiece. 'Cause baby, you don't know how beautiful you are. I want you to know how beautiful you are. You can never be last placed, 'cause in my heart your kitchen's won the race, yeah. Oh, how beautiful you are. When I look at you, all I see is star, oh yeah. You are so beautiful, sweet Lady B, with a heart of gold. Your kindness and love